Hey guys, how's it going? Here's a quick steps to add Facebook Pixel to the Wix website. So first of all, go to the Facebook Pixel event manager and then click connect data and sources web, and then select the Facebook Pixel and click connect. Name your pixel and then click continue. Log into your Wix account and then basically go to your Wix dashboard and select the site that you want to edit, and then access the Wix Pixel tracking. In the Wix dashboard, click on the marketing and SEO marketing integrations, and then select the Facebook Pixel and then add the Pixel ID, not the whole code, and then save or connect, and then verify the installation by installing the Facebook Pixel help or Chrome extension, and visit your Wix website to ensure the Pixel is active and running. By following these steps, you will successfully integrate Facebook Pixel with your Wix website. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. We will definitely see you in the next one.